Am I audible now? Yes. Do you ask me people to turn on the fan? Shall I go there and turn on the fan? Turn on the fan for 10 minutes. Huh? Just now we have turned it off, right? People are speaking lie. Is it? Are you sure? Huh? Okay, for 5 minutes. Let's share the homework. AC is running, right? And sir has asked me also not to give you permission. But I give you, I break the rule for you people. But if, huh? You can. Fine? So as of now, let's maintain silence and share the work. Who would like to start? Yes, Himanshu. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Silence, boys. Yes. Okay. Hmm. Her one, two? Okay. Next. Very good. And yes, there was some more homework now of filling the blank. Hope you people have done that. I'll take that homework separately. Okay. Hmm. 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 40 nominations. 14, of course, 14. What is happening? Aman, are you not able to stand? Share. Kush, why are you holding his hand? Yeah. Kick out the basket. Bucket, right? Yes. Next. Yes. Second. Oh, God. Hmm. Yes, Shyam. Please turn on the fan and please turn on this fan also. I'm feeling very hot today. Hmm. Yes. Can you please kick the bucket? Is it your sentence? Then kick the bucket means, do you know what is the meaning of kick the bucket? My God, a person will kick your bucket. Yes. Okay. Share. Shyam. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Very good. You may nominate somebody else. Arav. Arav, wake up and share the words. What happened? I did not nominated you. Arav, will you take entire class to share your work? Hmm. Silence? Yes. Hmm. Oh. Very good. Nominate. What happened? Yes, Hardik. Boys, stop making noise. I did not nominate you. Adik, you need to be loud. I am not able to hear you. Very good. Good. Nominate somebody from that side. Boys, please behave yourself. Getting? Yes, please. Uh-huh. Sorry? Hmm. Please. Him? Chair. PUTD ward of? Let it be. You share, please. Hmm. 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 Very good. Nominate somebody from that side. Boys, stop doing this. I'm telling you again. You're not knowing the consequences. Getting? Be in your limits. Yes. Hmm. 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 Very good. What? That's a show off. Pass away means to die, boys. Not pass away to pass the opportunity. Please make another sentence. Tell me right away. Make that kick the bucket sentence once again. That's incorrect. Now wait, somebody. How many nominations are done? Not doing your work properly these days. I'm seeing. Nominate Ayush quickly. Yes, Ashu. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, boys, last benches. Enough. I will throw you all four out of the class. Getting? All four. Yes. Hmm. How many are done? 13, 14. Okay. Hmm. 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 Very good. Hmm. Yes, Ankit. And why were you absent in the test? I'm not well. Very good. Very nice. Uh, Rohit, stand up and share that work of past tense. You have to share first three, and I will choose somebody else to share next three. Silence. Yes, somebody have PDF? Okay, I have. I have. Just allow me a minute, okay? Here? How? Here only. This? RST. This, right? Yes. He started. Okay, very good. Second, in 2015. What did you feel there? Sit. Arranged. Arranged money, right? Okay, somebody from bed 2, stand up. Share. I was 12 when I had the Patiala. Breadwinner means to earn money. The only person to earn money. Right? Fine. Fine. Somebody from this side. Miti, you share. My father. Hmm? Okay, there is one missed here and this. You have to share. Hmm. 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 Horrifying means. What does that mean? Yes, fearful, बहुत ही ज़्यादा डरावना, not so good, very scary, right? That if you remember it, like when we remember our childhood, we feel happy that we are so much pampered, right? Like I'm talking about myself. Okay, we are so much pampered. Our parents bring everything which we wanted, right? But his childhood was not so good. Very people used to beat him a lot, right? Sit. Somebody from this side. Yes, from selling. Amritsar. Two face. Is it two face? Jaggery means. Yeah. What? Jaggery. It's not jelly. Jaggery. This now you're talking about. Jaggery. Jaggery that good? Of? Hmm. Hmm. Continued, right? At 21. Very good. Sit. Good. Somebody from Vipul, stand up. Share the first two with full sentence. Ahuja said it was. You have to. Yes, yes. Ah, langar. Langar, do you know na? Free kitchen, free food. You may sit down. Thank you. Kishan, stand up. Where is the uniform? Don't say wet. Say it is drenched. Wet is not a good word, everybody. So don't use it. Yes. Yes, share. He has to share the second first. Share. Not from there. I. Second line. Hmm. Of my. Hmm. He added. Very good. You may sit now. Somebody from this side. Naveen. Naveen. From here. Oh, here is nothing. So here. Stop or stopped? Hmm. Who said that? Who said it? Honestly, stand up and go outside. Whosoever said that, kaske bolna. You are not sitting in the park, boys. It's getting out of hand. Getting. And no, I'm telling you, if a teacher comes after me, any teacher, any English teacher, that is not going to bother a lot on your personality and your spoken. Take it in the written. He will come, he will teach you the grammar, and he will go. He will not even care that whether you have done your work or not. But I care so much because I want you people to improve. Getting? But you people are not reciprocating my efforts. Getting? If I'm saying something, it's for your betterment only. I'm telling it again. If a person will come after me to teach you English, he's not going to be so much bothered for your spoken and your personality. He's not going to be bothered even have you done the work or not? Are you improving in vocabulary or not? If I'm saying so, please respect my words. Whosoever said that, stand up and go outside. Okay then, fine. Now you will see. Yes, carry on, please. Very good. Okay, everybody. So here we had to just add the past tense. Okay, why? Because whatever Ahuja was sharing, he was sharing in the past, like what happened in his childhood. That is a past event. And how did he started free langar, right? So whenever we talk about past tense, we have to make sure that verb are in past tense. Okay, so today in talking about past two, we'll learn about different past tense verbs. Fine. Where has it gone? Okay, from here only. Here. This one. Okay. Oh yes, it's here only. Thank you. Hmm. So today we'll learn about irregular verbs. Last day we mostly learned about regular verbs only. Now we add ed. And how to add? Sometimes we have to double the last word, like clap, clapped, stop, stopped. Okay. So we will learn how to identify the irregular verbs. What is regular verb? What is irregular verb? Can somebody tell me? Yes. Like V2, V3, ED, ED. Or irregular verb? There's no pattern, right? No pattern of ed. It can be anything. Okay. Rule 1. For some action, we change the verb when talking about it the past. Like bite. Bite changes to bit. BIT bit. Okay. Teach. Grow. So it does, see, all three verbs are not following the pattern of ed. Okay. They change completely, right? So today we will work on these verbs which does not follow the pattern of ed, which are irregular verbs. Fine. Okay, you have to write all the past tense of these words. Begin, it's began. Bite, blow, blew. Break, build, build, build. B-U-I-L-T, build. Build, it's D will be replaced by T. Is it? Good. Bring, buy, get, give, go. Go, went, or gone also. Went is V2. We'll use V2 only, everybody. Okay. Grow, grew. Have, had. Hide, it hid. HID hid, and V3 is hidden. We will not write V3, we'll write V2 only. Okay. Here, heard. Run, say, see, sell. What? Sold. Yes. Shake, shook. Yeah, shook. Sing, sang, shoot, shot. Please write the present tense and V2. Please write V2 also. Okay? Because the V3 are bit, some of the V3 are different. Who has left the bottle here? Whose bottle is this? This is GK wale sir ka bottle. That what is the name? Mayank sir. Yes. Were you not present last day, boy? कल नहीं आए थे तुम? Why? Do you live in Patna only? Like in hostel, or do you have? Okay, and where are you from? Machuatoli. You come from Machuatoli. Once done, do let me know. We have more verbs. We'll work with that also. Okay. Hmm. If you have any doubt, like, ma'am, what is a V2? Buy, bought, BOUGST, bought. Huh? Grow, grew, go, went. V2 will consider V2 only. Bite, bit. Begin, began. Shake, shook. Sing, sung. Shoot, shot. SHOT, shot. We see na in the newspaper that one person was shot dead. That is past. Like he is killed now. Okay. And you must have seen that none of the verb is followed by ed to become past. Okay. So these all are irregular verbs. Okay. Regular verbs follow a pattern of ed, but irregular verb does not follow a pattern of ed. Is it done, everyone? Shoot, shot. SHOT, shot. Huh? Shook. SHOOKE. Is it done? Okay. Okay. Let's read. There's a more. Wait. This is rule 1, rule 2, and yes, rule 3. Everybody, your test may be included by this. So we'll catch, caught. Today we will learn this V2 only. V2. Okay, why? Because that is direct past. जो चीज पास में हुई है वही खत्म हो गई. We use these verb for that. और we should know क्योंकि ये आपका ED का we don't follow ED pattern ना, so we have to remember it. These are irregular, so we have to remember it. Okay, so catch, can, good. Choose, no, chosen is V3. Chose, CHOSE, chose. Come, dig, dug. Do, done is V3. Did, DID, did. DID, this is a drink, drank. Draw, very good. Draw. Eat, ate. Eaten is not there. Eaten is V3. Fell. Fit. Fit is not fat. Fit is fit only. Okay. Feed. Fed. Feed means खिलाना किसी को, right? Find. Feel. Fly. Forget. Forgive. Freeze. It's not frozen. Frozen is V3. Forgot. Forgot. Froze. Please jot down this much. Then we'll discuss this much. And yes, we have to note on all. Yeah, right now. Huh? Yeah, at least. Okay. Oops. have got to know the answers. Okay, let's do one thing. You can write this much. Write this much and this much I'll give you as homework. Will it be fine? And I'll check it. Okay. You can do Google. Why do you come to class? Do Google and study there only. We have to write V2 only, okay? Hold, held is was. Keep, kept. No, new, lay, lied, lead, led. Okay, let's write this much. We'll discuss that much. Okay, we'll just discuss it. You may write it as homework, okay? It can come in your exam. These are very important, everybody. Irregular verbs are very important. If you remember this, your tense is very much sorted. Drink, drank, drunk. So drank you will write. Which one? Fit is fit only. Fit. Fit is fit only in V2 also. Dig, dug. D-U-G. Please jot down somewhere. It is a second form of verb. Felt. F-E-L-T, felt. What? Drove. D-R-O-V-E. Drove. Drive, drove, driven. So we will write drove only. Okay. You can write this side, but that is homework. Okay. Phrase. I'll give you. This. Freeze. Froze. Let me write. Wait. Froze. Huh? Okay. Hope it is visible. Shall I write here also? Yeah, these all you can see. I'm giving. Can we write this at least? This as homework. We have time. Let's write it quickly. Okay, I'm just writing and see everybody. Read is read. This is read, but we read it as read. I read your letter. Okay, read. Just allow me a minute. Fine. Jot down everybody. Okay, that is homework. You please take the help of internet. If please try to do it by yourself, but if you're not able to do, take the help of internet and write down. Okay. That's homework. This you write like now. Yes, these two columns you have to write now. This, the third column is homework. Hmm. Leave. Yes, yeah. It's E only. Oops. Hmm. It's left, everybody. It's not left. Okay, left. And these all are very important. Very, very, very important. Why? Because we often talk about past tense in our daily life. I ask you, how was your Sunday? So you say, ma'am, my Sunday was good. I went to Marine Drive. I ate street food. I roamed there. I strolled. Okay, so whatever past events you share with me or anyone, you share in the V2 form only, जो वहीं पे खत्म हो गया. ठीक है, दिस V3 form also which is related to past but present में भी वो चल रहा है, तो we use V3. इन जो past event, जो whatever event has started in past और past में ही खत्म, we use V2 for that. Like India got independence on 1947. Got. Get becomes got, right? So we have to be very mindful for these. With regular verbs, we are fine, but irregular verbs, you have to memorize them all. It's not that tough. Okay? Is it done? Good. Okay, take your time. Do it. I'll be leaving you 2 minutes early, everybody, because I have just next class by 2 p.m. only. So, fine. It's because they have set it up there. So, by 2, I have 1.5 hour class in the senior batch. Okay, so I need some time to a breather, right? Not time, I would say, a breather. Is it done? No? Where is that boy, Hardik, your friend, who used to trouble you a lot? What happened to him? He fell. From where? Oh, heck. Don't use such phrases for your friends. Okay. He is saying he fell from stairs. You are saying he fell in bathroom. Is it done? Okay, everybody. Okay. So rule 2, for some action, the verb doesn't change at all when talking about in the past. कुछ verb ऐसे होते हैं जिनका form बिल्कुल change ही नहीं होता है. Whether it's past tense or present tense or any tense. Okay? Like put, it's not put, it's put. Okay? Put is put only, cut is cut only, it's not cutted. I saw some students write cutted. Like my friend cutted his wrist. What? At least learn how to speak in English. Ma'am, I won't leave because my friend has cutted his wrist. Cutted. Lead will be lead only. Bed will be bed only. Cost will be cost only. Okay. Cost sometimes because some people say it costed me this much. That's wrong. It cost me this much. Okay. Hit. That boy hitted. That boy hit me with the spade. Hurt is hurt. You hurted me. You hurt me only. Huh? Huh? Sit. No, sit is sat. Please, he sat on the sofa. No, I quit. He quit. When did you hear it? In game, have you seen? Is it? Have you ever seen quitted? commit suicide, he write, I quit. Quit only. Quit in games, games, they write anything. So keep it aside. Shut is shut only. It's not shutted. I shutted the phone. Shut only. Spread, spreaded, widespread. Spread का पास भी spread ही होगा. Okay. Upset, upset only. My friend got upset. क्योंकि जब भी upset we use ना, we use additional verb. My friend got upset. My friend became upset. Okay, so upset will not change its form. Beat, beaten. Yes, beaten can be. So here is a doubt. Don't write beat. Let me just research about it. But others I'm very much sure. For quit also. Huh? Yes, yes, he's right. V3 is beaten. But for the second one, beat is only. He beat me. Huh? Beaten. So V1 is beat, V2 is beat, B3 is beaten. What have you searched? Beaten, na? Okay, both are correct, right? Yes, so beat is V2 and beaten is V3. Are you getting? See, look here. Okay? Beaten. What I was telling? V1 first form is beat only, V2 is beat, and V3 is beaten. Okay, this is also correct. V2 is beat, but V3 is beaten. So you can write it. Jot down quickly, please. These are very easy. You have to just write one word, and you write in the top that these verb does not change its forms as V2. Please write V2 also, because V3 some of them have changed. These verbs does not change their form in V2. And then write all the verbs. Don't write it twice. Only once. Once done, do let me know. What is? Bet. Bet matlab शर्त लगाना. I bet he will not come. Today you are sitting here, not there. What happened? Late. Oh, I'm feeling bad. What your phone? Oh. Yes, quit only. Standard English is quit only. People nowadays using quitted, so we consider that also. But correct is quit only. Quit, and quitting. Quitting. Fine. Okay. Okay. And you have to find mistakes in this. Okay, pass this mistake only. And now it's time to cheat you to you know what. written it. Cake walk does not mean cake पे चलना, ठीक है? Cake walk means easy task, like solving algebra questions in cake walk for him. Fine, not copying it. And it is multiple meanings of me. Bond to remember. To think, remember, or miss something. Okay. How many of you have written it? Only one, two. This word. This word, wonder. Only three, four people. Right. Do it once again. Wonder means to miss, to think, to miss, or to remember. Okay. Fine. Few minutes left, right? Shall I give you few minutes or not? No? Oh, fine. Can I get? Wait, I'm giving sit. Yeah? Yeah, you can. Stop over means to see somewhere for short time. Everybody, please do all the work. Okay? And yes, keep speaking in English, everybody. I'm telling you, you are going to miss me if I will not be here. Because other teachers are